Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, and I have that one mushroom chicharon. It's by from Tito Chamo. The kids will never gonna eat that because it's not healthy. Because it's a fast food. It's a fast food. And don't like to eat. And don't eat too much food. Your tummy is so gonna very ouchy. And this is so spicy with that. It's a food, Filipino food. Thanks for watching for Alonzo's Clubhouse, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.